Welcome to my channel. My name's Sam and this is Frugalisama, where I talk about all things dressmaking. Today's video is just a quick one showing you how to download patterns from the fabricstore.com. I did a quick tutorial with their Chelsea raglan tee, and I thought I would keep this video separate. There is a slightly confusing part on their instruction. Thought if I put this as a separate video to clarify how to do it, I could refer back to it for any of my other videos. I'm currently recording 100 Days of Sewing, where I will be referring back to free patterns, and the Fabric Store is one of them. I will link to the video at the end for the tutorial for the Chelsea raglan, which I refer to in the video, but this goes for any of their patterns, their free downloadable patterns. So onto the tutorial, it's just a quick one. Linked below to the website for Fabric Store for this particular pattern, and you will need to either sign in or register if you haven't done already, and then you will need to click onto the free patterns, which is on the left hand side. I have just typed in raglan to search for the pattern at the top there, but that link should probably take you straight to the raglan, the Chelsea raglan tee, which is this tee here. If you just click on that, and you will see here there's a red free download button. So you just click on the free download button and it will take you to a PDF. My computer automatically opens it in Adobe Reader. You will need to have that downloaded onto your computer, and if you scroll down, it gives you the sizing details and how much yardage you need there. So if you scroll down to that, that's where it will tell you. And this bit there, where I'm circling there, will give you where the sewing instructions are. Again, I will do a direct link below for that. So to the top left here, click on that PDF, not on the paperclip where it tells you, and it will open the PDF for you, and that will open the pattern, and that's the bit that usually gets missed. It looks like you've got to click on the paperclip, and it's actually the PDF button next to it, and you'll see that it's in layers here. And you just need to choose whichever size you are. If you fall between two sizes, you can do that. You're just eliminating every size that you're not and leaving the marker next to the size that you are. And then you can just go to File and Print, and just print off the first page just to make sure that your printing is accurate. Make sure that you print to actual size and not print to fit, so that it prints the correct size for you. And here you can see the print layout, so that you know the order in which to stick your pieces together. And that's it. Okay, so I hope that you found that useful, and I will link to the tutorial for the Chelsea raglan at the end of this video too, so that you can take a look at that if you need any guidance sewing it up. It's a simple pattern, and it's just a little basic bias binding tutorial in there as well, if you need any help with that. I'm currently doing 100 Days of Sewing, showing people how accessible and easy sewing is, and fun too. So if you like that sort of thing, please like and subscribe this video, and watch my other ones. I've got the 100 Days of Sewing, and I've also reviewed the Great British Sewing Bee. I also do other videos as well, all about sewing. Okay, thank you, bye.